Next comes our beta southwest monsoon season. We call it rainy season also. This season is marked by the onset and advancement of monsoons. We call the monsoon has not come, monsoon. These are this season is actually okay. The winds blow. Winds blow from the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land. They carry moisture with them. When these winds strike the mountain barriers, they cause rainfall. So what happened? We are having a winds from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. So these are again, when these winds are coming in this way, they are coming. Okay, and what happened? They strike with the Himalayas, and they are having a moisture with them. When they strike with the mountain barriers, they cause rainfall. The word monsoon originates from the Arabic word mausam, which means season. Okay, what is the meaning of monsoon? Season. Or what is the Arabic meaning? Arabic word mausam means that is also season. It refers to the seasonal reversal of the wind directions along the shores of the Indian Oceans, especially in the Arabian Sea, that blow from southwest during one half of the year and from the northeast during the other. Monsoons are caused by the fact that land heats up and cools down quicker than water. Correct it is. In summer, land reaches a higher temperature than the ocean. Air thus rises over the land. This causes an area of a low pressure. Since winds blow from area of a high pressure to area of low pressure, constant winds blow from the ocean. The rainfall is caused by the moist area rising up the mountains and cooling down. So what is again the word monsoon? Monsoon word is originated from the Arabic word which is mausam. What is the meaning of the mausam? Mausam means season. So this rainy season or a monsoon actually a season of reversal of wind directions along with the shores of Indian Ocean. Okay, especially Arabian Sea that blew from southwest during the one half means it's again. Suppose this is your India and this is your Arabian Sea. What happened in first half of the year? This Arabian Sea again blowing a winds that is from southwest. In other half of the year it blows to the northwest. Again the winds comes from Arabian Sea. Okay. Monsoon caused by the fact that land heats up. Okay, what they are saying that this land when throughout the day heat is means again light is falling on the land. What happened? It heats up. Okay, it heats up very quickly and it cools down also very quickly. Okay, if you find when you are going out, when going without bare feet, without your shoes on the land again, so what happened? That at that time during noon time, what happened? The area is very hot, the land is very hot, but when we are going in evening, the area that land at that time is cool. So what we see that it heats up very easily and it cools down very easily also. But in case of water, it is not happening. Water takes time to heat up and water takes time to cool down. Okay. Land has a higher temperature in summer than ocean. Remember, land has always a higher temperature in summer season than the ocean. So what happened? That because of this, in summer land reaches a higher temperature than ocean. Air thus rises over the land. So what happened? Air is air rises over the land, it comes out of the land. So again this causes an area of a low pressure. So this area is now area with a low pressure. Since winds blow from area of a high pressure to low pressure, constant wind blow from the ocean. Always remember beta, whenever we are having a low pressure somewhere, so winds are always blowing from high pressure to low pressure. So constant winds are blowing from the ocean to the low pressure. This is your ocean, okay. The rainfall is caused by the moist air rising up the mountains and cooling down. Okay, beta. So this causes. Southwest summer monsoon occur from June to September. Okay, so in southwest summer monsoon occurs from June to September. After the winds shift during the month of March and May, an area of intense low pressure develops over the Central Asia and the jet stream blows over the area causing rain. So what happening in this area? The southwest summer occurs from June to September. How it occurs in June to September? Because wind actually the shift in the during the month of March and May in this area. If you find an area of intense low pressure, intense means which is the area which is having a too much low pressure, develops over a Central Asia. In Central Asia we are having a intense low pressure and the jet streams blows over the area, and what is happening, the streams blow over the area and causing rains. The western coast and the eastern and northern states, let me tell you with the help of map beta what we are talking about. The western coast, this is your western coast, and eastern coast, this is your eastern coast, okay, and northeastern states. So these are your northeastern states, okay, these are northeastern states, this area, okay, receive a heavy rainfall, means this area is receiving a heavy rainfall. Again, agriculture in India is largely depending upon the monsoon only. So farmers eagerly wait for these seasons. That is a season of rain. Next comes with a retreating monsoon, autumn. The southwest monsoon winds weaken. Weaken means again these winds are weak now and start withdrawing by October, November. And they are going back, okay, in October, November. This is a period of transition from the hot rainy season to dry winter condition. And what happened? This period, the areas become again dry, okay. The retreat of the monsoon is marked by clear sky. So what happened at that time? We are having a clear sky and rise in temperature, and there is a rise in the temperature. While day temperatures are high, so what happened? During daytime we are having a high temperature, and again nights are cool and pleasant. In the second half of October, what happened at that time? The mercury begins to fall rapidly in northern India. Mercury here means your temperature. It begins to fall in northern India. Okay. In this season, the winds move back from mainland to the Bay of Bengal. So what happened in this season? In this retreating or autumn season, the winds are moving back to the Bay of Bengal. This side. Okay. This side. The winds are moving back to this side. The southern parts of India, particularly Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, receive rainfall in this season. The winds blow from northeast to southwest, and therefore they are also called the northeast monsoons. Parts of West Bengal, Odisha, Karnataka, northeast India receive some rainfall from the northeast monsoons. So in this season, what happened, beta? The winds move back. The winds which are here, they are moving back to Bay of Bengal. This side we are having Bay of Bengal. This side Arabian Sea. This side Bay of Bengal. So these winds, they are moving back from north east to southwest. Okay, northeast to south. This is your northeast to southwest. Okay, this is your west. This side they start moving. Okay, so these winds are also called as what we call these monsoons. We call these monsoons northeast monsoons. The parts of West Bengal, Odisha, okay, this area is receiving a rainfall, means they are returning back from here. They are returning, these winds are returning back. Okay, so what is happening? These winds are called as a northeast monsoons, and parts of West Bengal, Odisha, Karnataka, northeast India. This is your northeast India. Okay, is receiving some rainfall from northeast monsoons. Okay, beta. We have studied about all 4 seasons. Now it's time to do the exercises. We'll discuss the exercises in next video. Till that time, stay tuned. Beta, have a good day.